Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a 1967 Zippo Slim high polished chrome, looks like. Some people consider Slims lady lighters. I'm not one of those people. I like the Slims. I've actually carried a Slim more often than I have a regular Zippo. This one got re-wicked, repacked. Pretty clean lighter. Has plenty of scuffs, scrapes, dings. Doesn't really have any dents, I don't think. Looks pretty straight. But as I said, scuffs, scrapes, scratches, dings, etc. Fairly straight insert. It's not scratched up real bad. Looks like it's dented in a little bit on that side. The finish to it is fairly nice. See the wear where it's gone in and out of the case there. And nothing printed on the back side. Slim always seemed a lot easier to me to carry. It's about the same height. I don't even have a Zippo here. Maybe it's a little bit shorter, but it's definitely more narrow, both in width and depth. So, yeah, you can fit it in a pocket real easy. And, maybe you got a vape pen in there. with you or whatever else you got in your pocket. You could probably fit a Zippo Slim right in there with it. And as I said earlier, I would not let it challenge my manhood if I liked carrying a Zippo Slim. Just because I saw production materials where they were called his and hers, and the hers was always the Slim, or just because people call it a lady lighter, you know. All about your perspective, I suppose. But it is certainly good enough to light up whatever it is that you need to combust. If you like old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Also, tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Hit that link, copy the link, and send that off into email, text, social media, however it is that you communicate with people nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Comment below if you have any questions or comments about this 1967 Zippo Slim, and also whether or not you believe it's appropriate for a man to be carrying a Zippo Slim lighter. We would appreciate it if you would like us across all the social media platforms. That would be Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and of course like us on eBay. That's going to be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. All of these things will help us to be able to continue to make the videos that we're making. Until next time. Merry Christmas, everyone.